Okay, we're gonna check out this dollar index. So this actually broke this area, which was surprising because this was the this was the retracement area. So the dollar is getting stronger. This trade was never valid because this candle broke through this zone. It was just a little tiny zone that I drawn before, but now this changes things a little bit because this dollar index seems to be still pretty bullish, and I thought it was just retracing. You can see that you had this level here, this 618, it was holding perfect, right? It held perfect here, and then but now it broke. So this tells me this might be a little bit more bullish than we thought. So now your immediate consideration would be this zone, right, with this moving average too. It's going to slow down quite a bit, this moving average, and so it'll probably meet price like right here if it continues to go up. So yesterday was very bullish, so I mean today's pullback candle is pretty insignificant versus yesterday's, so I'd still be looking for this to come up higher before entering anything, and I would just move these up a little bit. I would probably set this at 103, again, whole levels, always your friend. And then 99.25. That'll be your bottom, so you're looking for something like this. And then that'll be the monthly range, which is actually right at this bottom segment here, which also aligns perfectly. So as of right now, this is what we're looking at. We want price to come back up to this 103 area before getting rejected and then entering a short position. I do believe the dollar is still short. I just think it's pulling up a little bit higher than we initially thought. And I mean, if you look at a fib retracement of this entire week zone, it's actually just at the 618 now. So that's also, previously I went off the fib levels of this section but not this full one, so there's a chance that it actually doesn't go above where it is right now, and it's right at this 618 level and it holds here. So that is something to also consider. I'm not going to mark anything out because I don't want to depend on that. I'm still going to stick with this zone here of significance, but just letting you know there's a chance that price respects this current position that it's in right now. And so I'll watch how this closes today and tomorrow, because I mean, if it doesn't break this zone, then that could be a good short entry now, and it would be something like this. But as of right now, I will just wait. I will let price come up to this higher zone here, just be on the safe side, unless a ton of bearish momentum comes into the market right now at this zone. And like I said, it doesn't break this area and it starts heading lower, then I would look for a short position then, because this is at a 618 level, which price does generally respect really well. So it might be a very good short right now. We won't know for a little bit though. So that is the dollar index. That's all I got. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and more people learn.